Hello students, Government of Karnataka, Department of School Education and Literacy. Lesson based assessment material 2025-26 second language English class 5. All questions and answers solved. Fifth standard English LBA lesson based assessment Unit 1 Love for Animals. First dash Ramana Maharshi lived in an ashram. Second one, the man in the lesson was walking with a dog. One day Ramana Maharshi was sitting on a hillside. Lucy's grandmother told her a lot of stories. The opposite of remember is forget. Lucy and Nitin saw a man one day. The animals at the ashram were treated with great care. Snakes were never harmed in the ashram. Animals were attracted to Ramana Maharshi. Tenth one, the fish is swimming in the water. 11th one, the meaning of the word wonderful is great. 12th one, the animals would often run towards Ramana Maharshi for food. 13th one, Ramana Maharshi never allowed people to kill snakes. 14th one, I like playing cricket. 15th one, the children were inspired to show compassion to all living beings. 16th one, he adopted a cat. 17th one, Ramana Maharshi was a great sage. 16th one, we must always be kind to animals. 2nd May 19th one, match the following animal walk. Snake crawl. Monkey swing. Cow walk. Dog walk. Parrot fly. Frog jump. Fish swim. Kangaroo hop. Cheetah run. Spider climb. Third man pick the odd one out. Lucy, Nitin, Raju, Lakshmi. Raju is odd one. Peacock, parrot, sparrow, snake, snake. 22nd question. Snake, lizard, frog, earthworm, frog. 23rd, kangaroo, zebra, hare, frog, zebra. 24th one, cat, dog, bear, bear. Odd one is bear. 25th one, cheetah, horse, lion, wolf. Horse is odd one. 26th one, crocodile, frog, tortoise, fish. Fish is odd one. Fourth main, write the sounds of animals choosing from the bracket. 27th one, a dog bark. 28th one, a peacock crows. 29th one, a cow moo. The plural form of cry is cries. 47th one, Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. Find the verb from the sentence. Answer is loud. 48th one, we must protect all animals. Find the pronoun we. Answer the following. 49th one, whom did Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi love? Answer is animals. 50th one, where were Lucy and Nitin going? Home. 51st question, who told stories to Lucy? Grandmother told stories to Lucy. Fifty-second questions. How did Ramana Maharshi speak to the animals? Answer. He spoke to them just as he would speak with people. 53rd question. Where did Ramana Maharshi keep the animals? Answer is in his ashram. 54th one. What did he feed the peacocks with? Answer is peanuts, rice and mangoes. 56th one. Whom did he call Lakshmi? Answer cow. 50. How did he address his dogs? Answer boys. 57th one. How did he feel when the snake crawled over his legs? Answer is cool and soft. 58th one. What is the main theme of the lesson? Answer is love and care for animals. Question number 30. A horse sneeze. 31st. An elephant trumpet. 32nd one. A lion roar. 33rd one. A cat mew. A frog croak. A crow caws. A bee buzz. Fifth main multiple choice questions. 37th one. Why should we be kind to animals? Answer is have feelings too. 38th one. Why is it important to show love and kindness to animals? Because they also want love and kindness. Maintain ecological balance. B. Answer is B. 39th one. What do animals need to live happily? Answer is D. All of the above. 40th one. What should you do if you see an injured animal? Answer is C. Help it. Which of the following actions show love for animals? Answer is B. Feeding stray animals. 42nd one. What lesson do we learn from loving animals? Answer is B. To be kind and responsible. 43rd one. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Answer is C. The dog chases the cat. 44th one. Are the boys eating their food? Pick the nouns in the sentence. Answer is C. Boys food. 45th one. Give Lakshmi some rice. Answer is Lakshmi rice. 7th main. 59th one. Write a short essay on my pet. Answer is my pet cat is very beautiful. She is white in color. She sleeps all time. If any sound she hear quickly she wake up. She eat food and she drink milk. She is cute and soft. 8th main. Creative writing. Write a short story about a time when you showed kindness to an animal. What happened? Answer is one day I found a cat sitting outside my house looking hungry. I gave it some milk and food and it followed me around the garden. I felt happy because I had helped an animal in need, and from that day the cat visited me every day. 61st question. If you could speak to an animal, what would you say? to show your love for it. Write a dialogue. Answer me. Hello, dear dog. I just wanted to say that I appreciate your company and I will always take care of you. Dog, thank you for your kindness. I am happy. Picture reading. Comprehension. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. 63rd one. Name the animals seen in the picture. Answer is cheetah. Who are the professionals seen in the picture? A doctor, a hunter, a nurse. 65th one. What is the nurse feeding the baby cheetah with? Answer is milk. What is the hunter doing? Answer is the hunter is looking through the binocular. 67th one. Who is nursing the cheetah? Answer is the doctors. The peacocks. The peacock is a very beautiful bird. It has a long tail with colorful feathers. The peacock can spread its tail like a fan. The peacock is found in many parts of the world. It is a national bird of India. Peacocks are usually green or blue in color. They make a sound called coo. Questions. First one, write a few lines about peacocks. Answer, the peacock is a very beautiful bird. It has long tail with colorful feathers. It is a national bird of India and are found in many parts of India. Second one, how does it look when a peacock spreads its tail? Answer, when the peacock spreads its tail, it looks like a fan. Third one, where can you find a peacock? Answer is, the peacock is found in many parts of the world. Fourth one, what peacocks are treated in India? Answer, it is treated as the national bird of India. Fifth one, how do the peacocks make noise? Answer, the peacock makes coo noise.